Well, here we go. So, today's job, we've got some new tyres, some Michelin multi-bibs with a reasonable amount of tread. That one's slightly worn on the shoulder, but the idea is that they're to replace these. you can hear me over the storm going on outside. If we look out there, look. Terrible weather. So, got one wheel mounted, one tyre mounted. As you can see, slight wear on the inside, but compared to what we're swapping it with, pair of racing slicks, we're definitely looking better. So that's the old one, that's coming off next. That's the best of the new old tyres, and compared to the other one I've just taken off, you can see a huge difference. So we'll crack on with taking that tyre off and getting a new tyre on it. Well, we're finished. There you go. One second hand but usable Michelin multi-bib. The size is 480 65 R28. So really pleased with what they look like. It's made the tractor look a lot more respectable. In fact, it looks mighty fine on those. So they're the old ones. No use to anybody. Them certainly got the money's worth for that. So I had a little bit of an issue with the bead seating onto the new rim. Plenty of soap, and you can see that to get that bead out to there, it was a little bit awkward. It took a few attempts in letting the tyre pressure back down, put a bit more soap on, try to get it to pop out. Plenty of soap, and we got sorted. So there you go. That's the tractor in question, Massey Ferguson 3125. Might do a little bit more on that if the fancy takes me. But there you go. There she is. There you go. And sneaky peek at another little project we got there.